Today I'm going to share with you why our community is so important.
There's something about, I'm really attracted to polarities, whatever that
And to do that, I'm going to share with you my personal experiences with art community and what that means to be an art teacher and to also be a painter. And to do that, I am going to take you from MBodied Art Studio to my personal studio at home. Being an art teacher for me has actually empowered me to know why I'm doing the things I'm doing when I'm painting. So what that means is I used to just paint and do things because it felt good. Like I would put the body in the middle because it felt good. Or I would choose these colors because it felt good. But now that I'm teaching and I'm practicing what I preach and I'm reminding myself of all of those art education tools, all those art elements, I know that I'm choosing orange and I'm choosing blue because they're complementary colors and they make each other stand out. They vibrate next to each other and create definition in my painting. And the days that I paint at home, I get to take that home with me and be in my studio and remember what I've taught in class, kind of like the whole practice what you preach thing. I love what I do. I love having the community of having my students and my classroom and then coming home and having just like dates with myself where I'm painting in my studio and carrying that over with me. They both tie into each other really, really well, and it helps me become a better artist. Being a teacher really, really helps me become a better artist. Tila, stop it. Let's get down. This is every time I'm filming. She's like, who are you talking to? Why is it not me? Stop. So I think this goes to Tila. So basically, art community is awesome. It's helped me become a better painter. It's helped me connect with other people that I never would have if otherwise I was not a teacher. It's helped give me a purpose with painting and my life, really. It's really like been that space that I've felt belonging. So I wanted to share that with everyone today, my members, my students, anyone that's watching, that if you are beginning to be creative, our community is really the key to wanting to keep going, to have that perspective with other people, to have that conversation with other people, to have that validation. Woo, I love validation. Going in there and knowing that I'm doing a good job is always great. Or to know that like something needs to change and to get that validated by someone else as well. At MBodied Art Studio too, that's really truly what we do. So if you want to get 15 tricks for jumpstarting your creativity, you can click the link in our description. I take a lot of MBodied Art Studio home with me. So I'm gonna keep bringing that philosophy into my life. I'm gonna keep painting on this beautiful Sunday and keep doing what I'm doing. So if you wanna keep following me, ring the bell and subscribe to MBodied Art Studio. My name is Shannon and thank you so much for tuning in.